sad to announce that one of our most beloved feel-good shows, Little Things, is in its last and final season. And I'm here to say the long goodbye with Mithila Parkar and Dhruv Sehgal. Hello and goodbye, guys.
Hi and good.
Hi and goodbye. I don't want to say goodbye. Are you guys ready to say goodbye yet?
We don't know.
Yeah.
I don't think it's sunken in as much as it has for everybody else around us. Yesterday I had a moment, but it's like today I still feel like how I was feeling earlier yesterday. That I think as the day progresses or the release date comes closer is when it'll kind of start hitting. Or maybe when we don't have another season of Little Things to shoot, it'll be like, oh, issa Little Things nahi ho raha.
I know I'm going to be missing my interviews with the two of you. They're as warm as the show. And Dhruv, this show has been a big part of your lives, almost 6 years. I'm thinking you've written this show. I know, I'm guessing, and I think I'm right, that whenever something happens to you in life, you think about how to incorporate that into the show. Does that still happen, even though the last season's over? Something happens to you, like, oh, I can put it in the show, and then you remember, oops.
Yeah, it happened, just day before yesterday because my parents were over and I got recently married. And it's the first time they came to Bombay after my marriage. And there were so many things that were happening. And I'm like, yeah, main season to ye hona chahiye tha. How life changes after you're married and how society looks at you, but you feel the same. And I thought that should have been a good season. But then I'm like, well, who am I talking to? Because there's no next season like that. So yeah, I know it still happens. I don't think that will ever stop, to be honest.
Firstly, congratulations. I did not know
Thank
you
you,
got
thank you.
married.
Thank you.
Sorry, Dhruv and Mithila fans. I know
We are
there's
not
all
married.
These... You're not married, exactly.
He's married.
To someone else. Exactly, as I apologize to them. I know time and again you guys have denied that you were dating, ever, that you were romantically involved. But I think because of the kind of chemistry the two of you share on screen, it's so natural that I think despite the denials, people just assume that you were. I know this because when I Google the show, people ask, are Dhruv and Kavya and Mithila dating in real life? So I know this happens to you. Even after you've been married, do people come and tell you?
Very few people know that I'm married till this interview, I guess.
All right. Okay, so do not go and tell them that, guys. Last season, it's the final one, 4th season. I've seen it. Incidentally, we were chatting before this, and they haven't seen it yet. But in their words, what can we expect from the show? What can fans expect from the last goodbye?
Bata de Dhruv.
Yeah, just more honesty, just more honesty, I guess. Not that we've not been honest in the previous 3 seasons, but respecting these characters, showing them with their flaws, and sort of just encountering how they kind of.
Yeah, them maneuvering their
Yeah.
life, a different phase of their lives. I mean, as they are also growing up, their relationship is progressing. So this is another phase of their relationship and they're trying to figure out because, they've been together for 6 years. Have you been together for 6 years? So, wow, look at me, I'm confused. That's how long it's been. But yeah, I mean, like, I'm sure that after every point in time, every couple goes through this questioning of where are we as like a couple individually, and I think that's what they're trying to figure out.
Well, the last episode had all the feels, and I can't deny that I teared up almost. Yeah, I was in that area for sure of tearing up. What about you guys? Any tears on sets?
Well, yesterday I cried when we had a screening for the cast and the crew, and it just suddenly dawned upon me that, oh my God, this is all ending, and the people who've been with the show since the beginning have been with us till the end, like our producers or our DOP or our director, all the writers who got on board in 3rd season. So it was just a very emotional moment. But I don't think on set we were thinking of it as like, okay, अभी ये last season है तो अभी ऐसे करते वैसे करते. हमें बस like we had these many days to shoot and we had to give our best in those many days. So tabhi I don't think it occurred to us. Well, we are 10 days from release and it's still not sunken in really. So
All right, Mithila has been very honest. What about you? Did it rain from your eyes?
No, not as yet.
Not yet.
But I do feel the emotions that oh, this is the last time, we are talking about little things, and it's also kind of a shoot. So I got up, and that was the first thought that came to my mind. And small things, like entering the vanity and like, okay, this is the last time, this is the little things vanity and stuff like that. It's there, but the more I think about it, the more happy and just I feel so much gratitude towards, everything and everyone, just this chance that was given to us, and we made something decent with it. Yeah. So just feel very happy about it.
It's a lovely end to a beautiful journey that the two of you had. If I were you, I would have stolen something from the sets, for sure. The props were lovely, even in this season. Did
Did
you
we take something?
No.
No, we didn't. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Why did this thought never occur to us? No, we didn't.
Uh-oh. Maybe it's not too late. I think you guys should take something.
From
What
the
would you
production
take?
patty, we should go and find things.
But what would you take, if you could? Anything that holds special value to you?
I think I would take the photo frame that was there in the first and the second season of
Oh,
ours.
the doodles I would. I think from the first season, there were things to steal. Steal.
Third, we were away anyway.
Third, we were away. Yeah.
All right, so the doodles and the photo frame, if someone from the team's watching, please keep that aside for them. You guys have had such lovely scenes and dialogues over the years. It's been 4 seasons. What still, stands out to you when I say little things to you? What is that one scene? No, don't say it's all of it. Any one scene that
Baap re
stands
baap.
out to you, yeah.
One scene I really don't have an answer to this question.
I mean, like I was saying just a few minutes back also, scene nahi hai, but there was a shoot date where we shot the second season's 6th episode all in one day. And when we were there, because the entire episode was written as if that they have to spend the entire day on the bed, and it will be a great day.
Oh, I remember it was a Sunday and
Yeah,
then
yeah, yeah.
the mosque and then you wake up in
Absolutely.
the... See?
Yeah. So that was the scene. That was the episode, and we did the first shot we did. We did a long take. It was a master, and I'm like, Ruchit, this is a lot of fun, And Ruchit is like, yeah, let's do the whole thing in one take. Each scene is just one take. So we did that, and then he's like, but I'm a little scared that what will the producer say. So we have to do it conventionally, and we had only one day left in the house. And he said, if you guys are for it, we will pull off this entire episode twice in one day, and that's what we did. Yeah, and to me that was a really, really memorable day.
And Mithila, any favorite dialogue from the show?
Ab to yaad honi chahiye.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but no, I can't remember. Please.
I think the way you say Dhruv, everyone likes that. Yeah.
Yeah, and I don't think I say it any differently.
She says it. She has this.
But there's the
particular
one
way.
thing that I say that irritates all of them, and I don't know where it came from also, and it's just
From the videos, the filter copy videos.
oh, and it just stuck when I say please.
Yeah.
And I think I just do it because it irritates them.
Yeah, I think now it's second skin. Yeah, now we can't tell Mithila apart from Kavya, which is a great thing because we love Kavya. And all right, over the course of the show, we saw you have a lot of food: biryani monster, momos. What was your favorite? Any favorite dish on the show, or any favorite food that you have fond memories with on the show?
I think because this season is shot in Kerala, so we were full of great memories with regards to food.
Sadhya.
Yeah, and just a lot of good food, man.
A lot of good food. All right.
Yeah. Generally, being in Kerala is just it's all about eating the best food. So, I mean, of course, being in Bombay, we do have our.
You don't have to be diplomatic. You can say.
Listen, I have been an advocate of food in Kerala for a while now, since I've shot for Karwa. So there's no secret to it. And now I'm also saying that Hyderabad serves the best food. So I'm constantly at.
Of course, she has to be like the sveltest biryani monster.
Yes.
Ever known.
Yes, I've been tasting all kinds of biryanis in Hyderabad. I've been having the time of my life.
That's true to form. All right, now I don't know if anyone's asked you this. Maybe they have. I missed it. Where is this magical apartment in Bombay? It's huge. Is there there are 3-4 rooms? Which area of Bombay is it situated in?
It's Wadala.
It's Wadala. You have mentioned it earlier, I think, in passing. And I think, speaking of mentioning things and tying it up, in this last season, I think there was an effort to kind of tie up things you had callbacks from the first season. For instance, even the No Shower Sunday, Kavya goes through again in this season. So what was, was that deliberate on your part, Dhruv, to give fans a kind of wholesome goodbye, it's a kind of cathartic, tying up of events?
So I didn't write this season. I wasn't part of the writing team. But I think if you see it in all the seasons, the same thing exists. In the second season, there's a lot of callbacks from the first and second, and so on and so forth. But that's because you want to ape life. You keep talking about your past. So that was that idea. I don't know whether it was done for closure, because we ourselves sort of are not sure. But that was just to show life in all its colors, I guess.
All right, it was very well crafted, I have to say. You guys rightfully walk away with all the praise for the show, but you also have a stellar supporting cast, and they lend such a warm quality to the scenes. Whose scenes do you look forward to the most with, apart from each other? With who else do you look forward to shooting?
I love watching Loveleen Mishra. I love watching her. I hardly have scenes with her actually. And of course, Navni ma'am and Rishi sir, who play my parents, are lovely and they're wonderful. I think I love Loveleen Mishra as an actor. So I think I just enjoy seeing her do her thing.
She does have a lovely way of lighting up the screen when she's there. The lovely, quality, like I mentioned, that they lend the series. What about you, Dhruv? She is your mother, same?
Yeah, Loveleen Mishra and Vikram Kocher. But Loveleen has this really beautiful way of just getting into the scene and, and adding her lines and suggesting things. And when she does this, it's really nice because you just feel that she has this quality of taking something which is sort of manufactured and bring a lot of life in it. There's a scene in the third season where she says, we were lying down opposite ends of the bed, and she says, I'll say this line that, आजकल तेरी माँ zumba करने लग गई है. Imagine कर सकते है तेरी माँ को. And I say, it's a great line. You should say it, Kiti. Yes, because when a child imagines his mother exercising, there's something very naked and very weird about it. So let me say it. It'll put your character in more discomfort. And I was like, yes, please do it. And she's genuine treasure.
She is absolutely lovely. I agree with you on that. Watching the show, there are a lot of pop culture references. You are a mathematician. What are you, a scientist, mathematician? Mathematician, right. And you work in sales. Through the show, have you learned anything new? Have you learned of a new song? Anything related to mathematics, sales? No?
Whenever I had to say anything math का in the show, मैं उसको ऐसे रट्टा निकालता था जैसे बचपन में तुमने 8th class का कोई chemistry का रट्टा लगाया, जैसे exam खत्म हुआ, you just forget everything. So it's the same thing. I don't remember any technical things that I ever said in the show because they were so technical. No, I don't remember anything.
I think for me it was just a callback to my advertising, not like college. Like I graduated as an advertising major.
You don't have an MBA from NM like Kavya?
I was like,
She
what?
had an MBA from NM?
Yeah.
You knew, but what did she know? I feel like I would beat you at a little things quiz.
I think 100%. At this point in time, because when he was also talking about like generally we do those callbacks without, because I mean, I'm sure we don't completely change our habits also. So of course those callbacks happen with during every season, but it's not just the seasons. We've also done callbacks from the sketches we shot, from where the show has come. So I think take this.
But I'm sure you remember from the first season that makeover scene when you and Dhruv go shopping. You remember that one, right?
Yeah.
There was no such scene.
Makeover scene meaning I thought you were talking about the salon.
No, where you go shopping. I just made it up now. Like how you make it up in this season about Matunga.
अरे मुझे लगा makeover scene meaning because we've actually gone out to that arcade day and then gotten myself a haircut.
She's probably talking about house makeover.
Oh, the house makeover. No. I just generally made it up. I just generally made up. They went shopping and got a makeover.
Because this is possible. We've actually have an episode like that. What are you talking about? We have an episode in the first season when you're watching that match and you abuse.
Yeah.
That, well, I don't look like I've had a makeover.
All right, so does
that was an attempt to have a
Good cover up. Good cover up, Mithila. Good one.
You should have just said, oh, when you went to Disneyland and all, then I would have been like, huh?
Okay. Okay. Itna bhi nahi, huh? I'm not going to make it that easy. Did you guys ever go to SL World in the show? No. No? No. All right. Yeah, I don't think they did. No, it was a genuine question. I was in
fact that we went to Kerala was a big deal
It was a big deal. You know, over the years, it has become second skin to you, the character. I don't know Mithila and Kavya apart. So, what quality of Kavya do you think you've imbibed that you're going to take with you forever? You've not taken any props from the set, but any quality?
No, I feel like, and I've said this enough times, that it took me a while to catch up with her, or to, like, basically for both of us to align in a sense. And I think now we are just, we're one person in a lot of aspects. So I think I'm just going to take her along with me for the rest of my life, I guess.
So for people who are missing Kavya, you know, Mithila's right
Meet
here
me.
for you. Meet her, befriend her. And Dhruv, as the name suggests, you know, I don't even think there's any difference between you and your character. I don't think that's true. I'm sure you're quite different from your character.
Very different.
You're very different from your character. But, you know, unfortunately, the name sticks, right? So everyone just assumes you're like that.
Yeah, all the time.
Yeah. Good thing or bad thing, this assumption?
Confusing thing for me. Yeah.
You know, for me, at least for some time, no matter what you guys go on to do, and I'm sure you're going to go on to do amazing things, you're going to be Kavya and Dhruv for me for some more time. I'm not ready to say goodbye yet, but I have to. Thank you so much, guys. It's
Thank you.
been a lovely ride, and I'm glad you took us along for it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.